them.
What we doing?
Fighting fish on day 1 of Hurricane Hole, Louisiana Open. Got a fish hole.
Still sporty out here today.
I'm a woman angler. Of course my dad feeds and waters me while I'm in the chair.
That's the waves though. We're into the waves. If he goes back to you right now, we're gonna flood it.
Yeah.
So he's going real slow. You're all right. I know. About to make it. Let me have it so I can shine the light on it.
Woo! It's #1, baby!
Yo!
Last day of Hurricane Hole Open. We're putting out the Lucky Charms and hopefully we get a bite. Come on, big girl. Got fish #2 on. Got blue #2 on in the Hurricane Hole Louisiana Open. We're about to catch them here.
Bumping it like you're doing. Can you give me a water out of there, Kevin?
Yeah.
He's about to jump. About to jump. Get ready. He might jump.